Qui ça c'est là? Chichon. Il va faire qu'un monde saute dans le pays, non?
Wait a minute.
Qui va tomber là?
You got a mild odor.
What?
You got a mild odor. Do you understand me?
I don't.
You have a mild odor.
What do you mean by I have a mouth
No.
odor?
I'm discontinuing. I don't want this shit no more. Do you understand me?
Are you joking with me?
Of course not.
After kissing me for 3 minutes.
Yes, I was only rehearsing. And I discovered that the mild odor couldn't stop, so I have to discontinue. Excuse me. Idiot.
Wait.
Get out of here.
Charles! After kissing me for 3 minutes.
Oh!
What mouth odor is he talking about?
Why? But that is a...
Does my breath smells?